This is my shack. We'll start here. Let's see. These are two power supplies. Two 35 amp power supplies. And let's see. This is an IP phone that I use for ham radio stuff. And this is the HF rig. We're on FT8. And that's running on this computer right here. These are all the stations overseas, all over the world, on 40 meters. And these are the signals, and it's logging all the stations. And I can connect to them by clicking on one of these names, but I'm not going to do it now. And what else? These are the scanners. This one is running the state RISCON system. This is on a military frequency.
You got it.
This one is regional stuff around here in Massachusetts. And that's the Wrentham repeater, 220 megahertz up in Massachusetts. Let's see.
You got it. Rescue flight in this one up.
Here's a UHF VHF radio that's scanning the frequencies I've got in there. This is a DMR radio. It's on the East Coast reflector. These are the two computers. This is a digital, this is actually a radio. It's an SDR. And what it's doing is it's copying signals from airplanes. This is all the aircraft stuff it's copying. And you can see the Warwick, Rhode Island, that's Green Airport right there. And it picks up a bunch of stuff from all over the place. Okay. And then we got, this is, well, let me start over here. This is a hotspot. Okay. That's connected to this radio, this walkie-talkie. Whoops. It's on worldwide, on DMR. And these are all the stations right on DMR right there. And this is another list of all the stations on DMR all over the world. And over here, on this other, this scanner here, I got the display running on this monitor here, so I can do that. And this is just a list of all the stations on the local repeater here, DMR. It's a digital mode. And let's see. And the antennas are all out here. Oh, yeah, they're hard to see, but they're out there. And that's the whole shack, everything. This is also a music production I do here too, whenever I get around to doing that. But this is everything. This is all the gear here. I got it all running today for this demonstration. Normally I don't run everything all at the same time like this, but I like this program especially. It's really interesting, and it runs right off of this little digital SDR. It's actually a radio, and it's connected to that switch right there. That I can run a bunch of radios off of one antenna. And all the cables come in through the window right there. And there's our big backyard. Okay, and that's our free tour of Bob's radio station. Oh, and that's my poster of Alexander Scriabin. We need that.